for the tray level, this type you can adjust for your own height. Okay, let's say you can take out of this, okay, and then just adjust which area that you feel suitable for your product, like this. Same over here, take out, move it for one step further, put it back, and release. Okay, this is the tray size that I recommended from the manufacturer. If you want to get full with 5 tray, that you must use a GN1/1 2.5 inch tray, so you can get full with the see, and like this, so you can full by 5 tray of your product. Okay, during the operation in front of the machine, just to make sure you didn't block with anything in front here, okay, because this is the air circulation for the condenser and inside the machine. If you can see over here, this is the panel show. Okay, this is the display panel. Okay, and then this is like a touch screen button with the controller, with the start button. Okay, AUX, menu or setting. This is hard mode, freeze mode, chill mode. Okay, so for the first, you switch on the machine, it will show over here is a chamber temperature on current temperature. Okay, before you start, to get know for your machine, you can set the menu. You can press the menu. Okay, so the menu is a common setting for the machine. Example, language, status, parameter, hazard, restore setting, time and date. Okay, so there's like 6 common setting for the machine. If you want to go back to the main panel, just leave it like for 15 seconds, or you can press the chill mode to go back to the front page. Okay. Okay, for this machine, they have a few extra features. You can see when you press the aux button. So they have a pre-cooling, defrosting, freeze sanitation, hardening for ice cream, probe heating, and recipes. So this is recipes that you can create your own program and save inside the machine. Okay, so you can select any of this selection program, depends on your usage. If you want to go back, just press chill. If you want to go through the program, example recipes, you can press start, then it will jump to recipes. This is a recipes have been setting by the manufacturer. You can select red meat, white meat, seafood product, puddings, lasagna, vegetable, of any type of dry freezing. And P1, P2, P3 is the program setting that you can create by your own. So later I will show you how to create your own program. So before that, we go for back and go back again and come for the front display. Okay, recommended for manufacturer before you start any of chill or frozen program. The manufacturer recommend you to do the pre-cooling for the machine. In it, you press AUX, you can see the pre-cooling mode. You press start and the display will show this. You can select the degree you want to do pre-cooling to your machine inside the chamber. Let's say I set to -5 and then I start the pre-cooling mode. So currently it show the 20 degrees inside the chamber. So the pre-cooling we do pre-cooling until the chamber temperature reach to -5 and it will stop. Then after that you can start your normal process with the chill or freezing. Okay, if you want to start the operation, you can select either chill or freezing mode. Example, you want to do a chilling, press chill. Okay, here it will show you soft chill. This is the zero temperature, that the lowest temperature they will set inside the chamber. And then this is the 3 degree for cold probe reading for the product, and this is this mode using a cold probe mode. If you want to change to timing mode, you can press the mode and press another time. Then the panel will show soft mode chilling using a time, and then this is the lowest temperature that it can goes inside the chamber. So for standard manufacturer setting, they will go for chilling for 90-minute process. So after 90 minutes, the machine will automatically go for holding mode. If you want to start the program, just press start button. Okay. So when you do the pre-cooling, once the temperature reach to the setting that you are setting, let's say -5, you can straight away select either you want to do the chill mode or freeze mode. Example, you want to do the freeze mode, press freeze. Over here you can show is a hard mode, and then you can select a soft mode or hard mode. Okay, and you can select either you want to use a cold probe or you want to use a timing mode. You just press at the button to change the mode. This is cold probe mode. Okay, this is a timing mode. So for timing mode, for hard freeze, it will run like 240 minutes or 4 hours. This is the temperature chamber that is set for your program. But for the cold probe mode, once it's run until -40, but the product, when it reach to the product reach to -18, then the machine will stop and it will jump to the holding mode. Okay, so you can select either soft or hard. Okay, timing mode or cold probe mode. Okay, then you can press start to start the program. So currently it show the chamber temperature is -5. When you press the start button, the panel will show soft mode. 1/1 means is a single 1/1 phase. This is symbol of the compressor is running. This is a current temperature inside the chamber, and then this is time remaining. So the time will be come down until 0 minute, and the panel, the machine will go for holding mode. If you want to stop or pause, you just can press the start button once. Want to go back, just leave it like this, and then the machine will stop immediately.